Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to US and Mix YouTube channel. Today's topics is about Vivo Y9s smartphone price and specifications. So today we'll discuss about Vivo Y9s smartphone. But before start, I want to say if you are new in our channel, then subscribe our channel. Science and technology related topics mainly discussed in this channel. If you like our video and like our channel, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe and make comments. And also click on the bell button on the right side. If you click on the bell button, you will get notification for the next videos. To get full information, please watch the video from the beginning to the end. Otherwise, you do not get the full information and miss many useful information on these topics. Okay friends, let's start. Let's go to the full report. Vivo Y9s smartphone price and specification. Go to the full report. US and Mix report. Vivo Y9s smartphone launched at global level will get diamond shaped quad rear camera setup. So its camera setup is look like diamond shaped quad rear camera and the back panel. Smartphone manufacturer Vivo has launched the latest smartphone Y9s, Vivo Y9s in China. People will get diamond shaped camera setup, strong processor and big display in this phone. Earlier the company introduced Vivo V17 smartphone in Russia. However, Vivo has not shared official information regarding the launch of this Y9s smartphone in India. So let's know about the price and specification of Vivo Y9s. So it is not launched in India till now, but Vivo launches this Vivo Y9s smartphone in China, but it is not launched in India. But what is the expected price and specification of Vivo Y9s smartphone? Vivo Y9s smartphone price. This company has priced the variant of this phone with 8GB RAM and 128GB internal storage at 1998 Chinese yuan, approximately 20,400 rupees in Indian money. At the same time, Chinese customers will also be able to buy this phone from December 6. So only Chinese person from the China who are the resident of China in Chinese country in China, you can get this through online. It is not launched in India till now. Vivo Y9s price is 1998 in Chinese currency, Chinese yuan, and it is approximately 20,400 rupees in Indian market, in Indian INR. And Vivo Y9s specification. The company has given 6.38 inch full HD display, full HD plus display in this phone, which has a resolution of 1080 into 2340 pixels resolution. The picture and video resolution of this phone, and Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 chipset has been given in this better performance. At the same time, the phone works on Android 9 Pie operating system. So it is Android 9 Pie operating system. This is the phone. This is the picture of this phone. This is the diamond shaped. This is the color variant: blue, black, white, and also these colors are available in this smartphone. And in the back panel, you have seen that this diamond shaped quad camera at the back panel. Okay, the company has this screen is 6.3 inch full HD plus display with resolution 1080 into 2340 pixels resolution, and the Vivo Y9s camera. Now Vivo has given a diamond shaped rear quad camera setup in the back panel, whichever you see in this picture. So Vivo has given a diamond shaped rear quad camera setup in the back panel of this phone, which has 48 megapixel primary sensor, 8 megapixel ultra wide sensor, 2 megapixel depth sensor and 2 megapixel macro sensor. So these four cameras lenses are available for primary 48 megapixel primary sensor and 8 megapixel ultra wide sensor, 2 megapixel depth sensor and 2 megapixel macro sensor. These 4 cameras are available, 4 sensors are available in this back panel of this rear camera. Along with this, users will be able to click great selfies with the phone's 32 megapixel front camera. So front camera is 32 megapixel. So you can take this your selfie with this 32 megapixel front camera. And Vivo Y9s battery and connectivity. The company has given the feature such as Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth 5.0, headphone jack and USB port Type C in terms of connectivity of this phone. Apart from this, users will get 4500 MHz battery, which is equipped with 18-watt dual engine fast charging feature. So it is a great phone and all the features are good in and this is the budget phone within your limit by 20,000, approximately 20,400 in Indian currency. And this Vivo Y9 is only available in China. It is not launched in India now. This, and I will just list up all these features again. Vivo Y9s price is about 1,990 Chinese yuan. Is in Chinese currency, its price is approximately 1,998, and Indian money it is 20,400 rupees in Indian INR. And after 6 December, Chinese people can buy this phone in China through online or offline in all on a store. So it is only available in China. Vivo Y9s specification: main this display is 6.3-inch Full HD Plus display with 1080 into 2340 pixel resolution. Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 chipset for better performance of this, and the operating system is Android 9 Pie. So this is the available of this. These features are available in this Vivo Y9s smartphone. Vivo Y9s camera is diamond shaped rear quad camera setup in this back panel in this phone. 48 megapixel rear camera with 8 megapixel, 2 megapixel and 2 megapixel macro. These sensors are available. This 4 camera is available at the back panel of rear camera. So in the back side it looks like diamond shaped. 4 camera setup is there, and main primary camera is 48 and other cameras 8, 2 and 2 is for and different sensors. So to take good quality of picture, and along with this 32 megapixel selfie camera is there, front camera, so for taking selfie. And its battery is 4500 megahertz battery is available in this phone, and its features such as Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth 5.0, headphone jack and USB port Type C for in terms of connectivity is available in this phone. So, and also a charger of 18-watt dual engine fast charging feature is also available in this Vivo Y9s. So this is about the Vivo Y9s smartphone price and specification. So now we know about all the information, specification and price in the report from this report. Now I will go to the official website of this Vivo, which is available in Chinese website because Indian is not launched. So in no Indian website is Vivo Y9s smartphone is not available in Vivo in Indian sites. This is the website of Vivo, which is in China, CN, China. So this Vivo Y9s, you have seen I don't know about the language of this Chinese language. So you just see that there's a picture of this Vivo Y9s. This is the diamond shape rear back panel, and that is the camera. And the camera, whatever we learned, there's the camera. Now I go to the full report. What is available in this Chinese website, Vivo Y9s. Whatever who are the Chinese person, then you can know that whatever it is written in there, but we just know in English. So this the price is that yuan 1,998. So this is the information available in this site. And YS 8GB and 128GB. This is the 8GB RAM and 128GB internal storage is available. So that is the information which is available from this website. And all the options are there. This is the picture of this phone. I think it will be launched in global level very soon. This is a very good phone, Vivo Y9s, and its price is about 1,998 in Chinese yuan. So this is the options are available, Y9s. So this is the picture of this phone. Whatever it is written here in Chinese, I don't know, so I cannot read this. but this is the picture of this is that there are 4 cameras are available. Whatever I have read there in this camera features is this camera is is 48 megapixel primary, 8 megapixel ultra sensor, and 2 megapixel depth sensor, and 2 megapixel macro sensor. So this is the camera. 4 cameras are there. You have seen there. This is a diamond shaped quad rear camera at the back panel of this phone. So these colors are available: black, white, and blue. Very good color is available. All the colors are very beautiful, and this is the looks like this phone. Whatever I have seen this in this Chinese website, you have seen this Chinese website. So all these features are available in this phone. I think this is the 44,800. It is the battery, I think so. So this is the picture quality of this phone. You have seen this is the picture quality of this phone. So it is a great 8 GB and 128 GB. The variant is the 8 GB internal 8 GB RAM and 128 GB internal storage is available with this phone, and 4500 megahertz battery is available. 15-hour talking, and so this information is available in this Chinese website of Vivo. No Indian website is information of this Chinese phone is available in this Vivo Y9s smartphone, but it is very beautiful looks. At the back panel there is a diamond shaped quad rear camera, where is the 4 cameras are there, and the primary is 48 and 8 and 2 and 2. These 4 cameras are there, and selfie camera is 32 megapixel. Selfie camera is also available. So this is the information which is available in this Chinese website about Vivo Y9s smartphone. It's a great phone. It is not globally launched, but it is launched in China. The Chinese people can use this phone and buy this phone through Chinese portal, and it is only available in the Chinese market. So if you are living in China, so you can buy it from online store or offline, any store or online portal like Amazon, Flipkart, or any other whichever is available in Chinese portal you can see, and or Vivo official website you can buy or purchase it from this official website. So that information is available with this Vivo Y9s smartphone, and now we can know about the detail about this Vivo Y9s smartphone price and specification, and that's it about our video today. And after watching this video, now you can know about the information of Vivo Y9s smartphone price and specification. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you will enjoy this video very much. And if you like our video and our channel, then you can like, share, and subscribe of our US and Mix YouTube channel. And if you have any information regarding this video or want to ask more, then you can make comments in the comment section on this video of US and Mix YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video once again. Thank you.